If you want to have a youthful facial skin without wrinkles and dark spots, the cream that I suggest today will surely be for you. Thus applying it at night, it will regenerate and rejuvenate your skin. The ingredients of this night cream are all natural, so it is safe for your skin. Apples have to brighten and regenerate your skin as well as keep your skin youthful because they are rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant which helps to reduce the free radical damage to your skin cells. These free radicals break down the collagen and elastic fibers on your skin. This encourages wrinkles along with other signs of premature aging to develop. Furthermore, fruit acids present in apples have a powerful cleansing effect on the skin, loosening and removing dead skin cells. This helps to brighten the skin and gradually fade away dark spots. Now, prepare one apple and cut a half for the recipe. The other half you can eat. Remove the core and seeds and cut half of an apple into pieces. Put the apple into a blender. Next, you need to prepare extra virgin olive oil. This oil has a high concentration of vitamins and minerals, which help revitalize your skin, giving it softness, shine, and tonicity. On the other hand, vitamin A and E contained in olive oil can stimulate the production of collagen, delaying the formation of wrinkles and dark spots on your face. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into the blender. Run the blender and blend until you get a homogeneous mixture. Pour the mixture into a large glass bowl or container. Now, you need a small saucepan with high size and pour about 4 inches of water. Place the saucepan on the stove over the medium heat. Then, add in the bowl of mixture. Make sure your bowl fits snugly over the saucepan, so the steam is trapped beneath it. One more thing, don't let the water in the saucepan touch the bottom of the bowl. Heat the water to a simmer, then stir the mixture in the bowl for a few minutes to heat it. Remove the bowl from the heat and let it cool. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of rose water into the bowl and mix well. One of the great benefits of rose water is that it can add a burst of moisture to your skin. Your skin will be soothed and feel cool and soft instantly. Dehydration and dryness are the cause of premature skin aging. Best of all, rose water is suitable for all skin types, including the most sensitive skin. Pour the cream in a glass jar. It can be stored for about 5 to 6 days in the fridge. Apply the cream before going to sleep, massaging it on your face from the bottom up until it is completely absorbed by the skin. Let it overnight and wash your face in the next day.